Here we have to discuss about Mn blood group in human. You may be knowing there is ABO blood group, RH blood group, and in addition to this there are M antigen and N antigen on the red blood cells of human blood. Accordingly, there the blood may be distinguished as Mn blood group also. In general, it is said there are about 49 antigens on the red blood cells of human. But anyway, these three types of blood groups are familiar among the students. And now this Mn blood group was first reported by Karl Landsteiner and Levin in 1927. Now the M antigen and the N antigen determined by a pair of alleles. You say LM allele for the production of M antigen and LN allele for N antigen, and they are symbolized this way, prefixed with L, in order to honor the scientist who discovered this Mn blood group. So now these alleles occupy the corresponding locus on the homologous chromosome, that is fourth chromosome in human. They are said to be codominants because when both the alleles are present, both of them able to produce their content. That is, M allele can produce M antigen and N allele can produce N antigen. So that way, neither is dominant or neither is recessive to each other. Accordingly, the M, N alleles are said to be codominants. Now here, when the individual is in heterozygous condition, heterozygous in the sense both M and N allele may be present, and in such case both the antigens may be available on the red cell part of that person. If both alleles are of M type, that is M allele, LM, then the antigen will be of M only. If both the alleles are of N type, then the expression will be N antigen only. Accordingly, possibility for M allele type, homozygous type, N allele type, and N heterozygous type. Now this M, Mn and N blood group may be distinguished among the persons having a simple antigen antibody reaction test based on the agglutination between the sample blood and anti-M or anti-N antibody serum. And here we have put the plus indicating the agglutination and minus indicating no agglutination. Accordingly, you can assume whether a blood group is of M type or Mn type or N type.